The masjid is the spiritual heart of the community, but managing that space day to day requires constant, demanding administrative work that is becoming harder to maintain as communities grow. Committees are stuck constantly erasing and updating manual chalkboards for prayer times. Walls get cluttered with paper notices, and important community announcements get completely lost in the noise of a dozen disjointed WhatsApp groups. And once a worshiper walks out the doors, the connection often stops. There is an immediate offline gap, leaving people disconnected from urgent updates or sudden schedule changes until their next visit. Some communities try to fix this by hanging a standard consumer smart TV on the wall, but these screens get easily tampered with, pop up distracting commercial bloatware like Netflix, and ultimately fail to respect the dignity of a sacred prayer hall. To solve this, we need a unified digital ecosystem. A purpose-built network called MasjidConnect, controlled from a single cloud hub that manages every community touchpoint at once. This transition from fragmented tools to a purpose-built system is designed to transform the masjid from an occasional visit into a constant presence in the worshipper's day. Inside the prayer hall, the MasjidConnect signage interface transforms a standard Android TV into a secure display focusing on the daily schedule. On the left, the dual language engine renders Arabic simultaneously with English to serve diverse multilingual congregations. Notice the large timer on the bottom left. This intelligent countdown tracks the exact minutes remaining until the next iqama, the start of congregational prayer, helping attendees settle down and maintain silence. Once the congregation begins, the screen's purpose shifts. This display shows how the system automatically transitions into a post-prayer mode, projecting specific supplications, or Adhkar, directly onto the screen for the community to read together. Out in the lobby, the display serves a different function. As you can see by the QR code on the bottom left of this interface, the screen doubles as a frictionless financial hub. These are dynamic QR codes. They allow congregants to scan and execute instant UPI bank-to-bank transfers from their phones to support specific community causes, like a construction fund or sadaqah. By automating these administrative functions, the physical environment is cleared of distractions. The hall becomes a space of quiet, digitally enhanced focus. The ecosystem also extends directly into the worshipper's pocket. Here on the mobile home screen, users can browse a directory of local masjids and select their specific community hub. This notification feed shows exactly how the congregation stays informed. Prayer time changes, sudden schedule updates, and emergency alerts are pushed automatically to the user's lock screen. For those who prefer not to download a standalone app, the system integrates directly with native WhatsApp and Telegram bots to deliver these same daily schedules and event flyers right to their existing chat groups. It also captures the live voice of the masjid. Integrated audio and video streaming can broadcast the call to prayer or the Friday khutbah to community members who are traveling or homebound. To manage all of this, the committee relies on this single admin console. Through this grid of management tools, administrators can update prayer times, issue announcements, and trigger live broadcasts across all platforms simultaneously. To protect the physical hardware, the system uses an enterprise lockdown mode. This completely disables default TV menus and prevents anyone from altering the display. Looking at the configuration menu, you can see how the backend handles maintenance. Features like silent background updates and fail-safe remote recovery run automatically, meaning the committee never has to act as IT support. With the hardware secured and the outreach automated, distance is no longer a barrier. The administration can maintain a constant, reliable connection with its community at all times. Because this is an active cloud platform, new features are continuously deployed. The upcoming roadmap includes an auto-translation engine that instantly converts English administrative updates into Urdu text on the main display. The system is also expanding to handle high-volume gatherings, rolling out dynamic scheduling modes designed specifically to manage alternating Eid prayer locations and multiple congregational shifts. All of this technology is built entirely around the concept of khidmat, or service. The goal is to give masjid committees the robust tools they need to build stronger, more tightly knit communities without adding to their workload. It turns a fragmented communication process into one unified network, fulfilling the core promise of bringing your masjid closer to you. Aapke masjid, aapke Qareeb. To prove this value, committees can take advantage of a zero-friction pilot program. They can set up a fully functioning test unit in their own hall to see the operational difference firsthand. Using modern tools to manage these daily administrative details allows a community to keep its core traditions at the heart of every home.